Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a Helpdesk app with Zoho Desk and no-code tools step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Zoho Desk website. Log into your Zoho Desk account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the Setup option in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the Setup menu, find the Helpdesk or Apps section. Click on Apps to explore various integrations and no-code tools available. Next, look for the Zoho Creator option to access no-code app development features. Click on Create New App to start building your Helpdesk application. Choose from scratch to begin with a blank canvas. Name your application, for example, Helpdesk app. Select a template if you see one that meets your needs, or continue with the blank option. You will now be taken to the App Builder interface. Start by dragging and dropping form components for ticket submissions. Include fields such as customer name, email, issue description, and priority level. Customize each field by clicking on it and editing the properties on the right side. Next, add a submission button at the end of the form. Label it clearly, such as Submit Ticket. Now add an automation workflow to handle ticket submissions. Click on the Workflows tab in the App Builder interface. Create a new workflow that triggers when a new ticket is submitted. Set up conditions, such as sending an email notification to your support team. After configuring the workflow, save your changes. Next, return to Zoho Desk and find the Integrations section. Search for Zoho Creator to facilitate communication between your Helpdesk app and Zoho Desk. Follow the prompts to link your Zoho Creator app with Zoho Desk. Once connected, set up data synchronization to ensure all tickets are logged in Zoho Desk. Now, navigate back to your Helpdesk app in Zoho Creator. Test the form by submitting a sample ticket. Check Zoho Desk to confirm that the ticket appears there seamlessly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.